The advantage of the bus duct is the modular design and its ability to route power with flexibility and ease. The downside is that inspections become difficult, expensive, or impossible in these hard-to-reach locations. In all bus ducts, joints are typically the weak spot where faults will occur and result in an outage. Constant thermal expansion and contraction from varying electrical loads and seismic movement in the environment will degrade these critical connections. When a failure occurs, it is important to quickly identify the location and severity to avoid downtime, cost, and risk to personnel. The Exertherm bus duct monitoring solution helps prevent failures by continuously monitoring the temperature of critical connection. This early warning system alerts operators to potential issues before they occur. Always-on sensors are permanently installed in hard-to-reach areas, providing real-time temperature data. The sensors identify temperature anomalies at the precise location of a compromised joint. A local LED unit provides visual indication of joint health, and remote alerts can be sent via Modbus protocol to EPMS or BMS systems. Operators can view temperature and alert parameters in the software dashboard and take actions when necessary. Exertherm sensors predict up to 70% more potential failures than periodic maintenance. Sensors detect temperature anomalies in advance, triggering alarms to give operators a call to action on a specific joint that is potentially faulty. Discover the sensors that help build resilience into electrical infrastructure and keep power flowing.